Hello, my name is Auti Angel and I'll be your angel for today. I am the creator and founder of Auti Angel's Life Appreciation Workshop. Let me tell you why I've developed this workshop. I was a professional dancer when I got into a life-threatening car accident. I was at the peak of my career. However, I wasn't appreciating my life. I was taking it for granted. And once I got into this car accident and the doctor said that you'll never walk and you'll never dance again, it seemed like I would just give up on life and think that life was over. But no, I actually saw it as a gift. I was given the best gift ever. I was given the gift of a new perspective on life. And ever since that moment, I wanted to share this gift with the world. LA's Best, let me tell you, we had the best experience ever. We partnered with UCP Wheels for Humanity for them to allow us to borrow 12 wheelchairs. And we took 12 of your kids and put them in those wheelchairs so that they could have a new perspective on life.
See, you wanna dance? Shed your legs and let your soul talk. A form of praise, it was designed ever since the beginning of time. Let your soul speak on the dance floor. Come on and shake free. Baile, baile, jump up. Baile, baile, move up. Baile, baile, get up. Baile, baile, now move your soul, now get up. Baile, baile, jump up. Baile, baile, move up. Expressing internally, enter a new dimension and release your tension. Soar to higher heights. Don't you limit your life. You've got infinite shine.
I felt sorry for them. And I felt that they just couldn't, before I felt that they just couldn't do things that we could. They're just like us. They're as special as we are, and they have the same personalities maybe, except that they have a disability. To respect others that are different from you, be confident, and always believe in yourself.
Not only did this program affect the kids, it also affected the staff members and the parents. The parents were so thrilled that their child was being able to go through something like this.
It's a great project, it's a great thing for kids to experience on all levels, so it should continue.
I would love this project to continue. It's best. I actually have students that are currently in 4th grade or primary grades that are like, when I get into 5th grade, am I going to be a part of the wheelchair project? Children are excited, they're looking forward to the experience, and I know I've heard students that are currently a part of the program, they look forward to it, they're never late, they're always on time, their attention span seems to be fabulous, they're always interested, and they become more acceptable of the peers. They welcome each other, they help each other out, they don't criticize if they're having a hard time, you know, rolling around the wheelchair, if they're having trouble going over a bump, they encourage each other. And they're just very excited about it, and I think that it has spread to our other children, and they're excited about the program in the near future for them.
So let's continue to allow more children to have this experience. Let's bond together with this program and change lives together. Thank you.
LA's Best, right?